Consumer Reports just released their 2026 data, and the results are shocking. While most buyers are still fighting over overpriced RAV4s and CRVs, smart money is flowing towards six SUVs that absolutely dominate reliability, safety, ownership costs, and real-world satisfaction. These aren't flashy choices. They're evidence-based decisions backed by data from hundreds of thousands of owners. We're talking about SUVs scoring 85 plus out of 100 in overall ratings, predicted reliability scores of 4 or 5 out of 5, and owner satisfaction so high that over 80% of buyers would purchase the same vehicle again. These are the SUVs that mechanics rarely see for major repairs, that hold resale value better than stocks, and that deliver exactly what they promise without drama. Let's break down the six SUVs that Consumer Reports ranks highest and that smart buyers are choosing right now. Number 6, 2024-2025 Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek might seem like an unlikely choice for a best SUV list, but Consumer Reports gives it an overall score of 81 out of 100 with a predicted reliability rating of 5 out of 5, literally perfect. The base 2.0-liter flat-4 engine produces 152 horsepower and 145 lust-foot of torque, numbers that sound pathetic on paper but work perfectly fine in real-world driving. Fuel economy is the Crosstrek's strength, 29 city, 35 highway for the base engine with manual transmission, or 27-34 with the CVT automatic. The 2.5-liter manages 27-34 across the board. These are legitimately impressive numbers for a standard all-wheel drive vehicle. The Crosstrek's all-wheel drive system is always active, not the on-demand systems competitors use. You get genuine capability in snow, mud, and light off-road conditions. Ground clearance reaches 8.7 inches, higher than most compact crossovers. Consumer Reports specifically praises the Crosstrek's reliability. Over 5 model years of data, major mechanical problems are virtually non-existent. The CVT transmission that plagued earlier Subarus has been refined and proves reliable in this application. Engine issues are rare. Electrical problems don't exist. The safety scores are exceptional. IHS Top Safety Pick Plus Award, standard eyesight driver assistance technology, and crash test ratings that exceed most competitors. The forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking systems work exceptionally well in real-world testing. Interior quality is functional rather than luxurious. Hard plastics dominate, but build quality is excellent. Nothing rattles, buttons and switches feel durable. The infotainment system in 2024 Plus models is significantly improved with faster processors and wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Cargo space measures 20.8 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 55.3 cubic feet with seats folded. This beats Honda HR-V and rivals much larger competitors. Known issues are minimal. Some owners report wind noise at highway speeds, the base engine feels underpowered for highway passing, and the CVT transmission takes getting used to for drivers accustomed to traditional automatics. Resale value is exceptional. 3-year-old Crosstreks retain approximately 65 to 70% of original value, better than most compact SUVs. The combination of reliability, standard AWD, and practical capability creates strong used demand. Ownership costs are remarkably low. Insurance rates are competitive, maintenance follows Subaru's straightforward schedule, and the symmetrical AWD system is simple and durable. Consumer Reports estimates 5-year ownership costs at $43,000, including purchase price, fuel, insurance, and maintenance for a base model. The Crosstrek exists for practical buyers who prioritize reliability and capability over luxury and performance. It's not exciting, but it delivers exactly what it promises without drama or expensive surprises. Number 5, 2024-2025 Mazda CX-50. The CX-50 represents Mazda's philosophy perfected, driving dynamics and build quality that shame luxury competitors at mainstream prices. Consumer Reports gives it an overall score of 83, with predicted reliability of 4 out of 5. The base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder produces 120 load-4 with premium fuel. Both engines pair with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy for the base engine manages 25 city, 31 highway with front-wheel drive, or 24-30 with all-wheel drive. The turbo drops to 23. These are competitive numbers for vehicles delivering genuinely engaging driving dynamics. Consumer Reports specifically praises the CX-50's handling and ride quality. This SUV drives like a well-tuned sports sedan, with precise steering, minimal body roll, and suspension tuning that balances comfort and control better than any competitor. The interior quality is where Mazda embarrasses vehicles costing $15,000 more. Soft touch materials throughout, real stitching on the dashboard, high-quality switchgear, and attention to detail rivaling Audi. The base cloth seats are comfortable and durable. Leather options feel genuinely premium. The infotainment system uses a rotary controller rather than touchscreen for primary functions. This takes adjustment but proves safer and easier to use while driving. The screen quality, graphics, and response time are excellent. Safety ratings are exceptional. IHS Top Safety Pick Plus, Standard iActive Sense Safety Suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The systems work intuitively without being intrusive. Cargo space measures 31.4 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 56.3 cubic feet total. This beats the CX-5 despite similar exterior dimensions. Underfloor storage and well-designed tie-down points add functionality. The available all-wheel drive system is sophisticated for the class, with off-road drive modes and genuine capability on dirt roads and light trails. Ground clearance reaches 8.6 inches, competitive with Subaru. Known issues are minimal, according to Consumer Reports data. Some owners report the infotainment learning curve is steep, rear seat legroom is slightly tight for tall adults, and the base engine feels strained with 4 passengers and cargo on highway hills. Predicted reliability is excellent. Mazda's naturally aspirated engines are proven bulletproof. The 6-speed automatic is simple and durable. Mazda's Sky Active technology prioritizes efficiency and longevity over peak performance. Resale value is strong and improving. 3-year-old CX-50s are retaining 62 to 67% of value as buyers discover Mazda's quality advantage. The combination of reliability, driving dynamics, and interior quality creates growing demand. Ownership costs are competitive with mainstream brands despite near-luxury execution. Insurance costs are average, maintenance follows standard intervals, and the simple mechanical design avoids expensive repairs. 5-year ownership costs estimated at $47,500 for a base AWD model. The CX-50 is perfect for driving enthusiasts who need SUV practicality without sacrificing engagement, and for buyers who want near-luxury quality at mainstream prices. Which of these SUVs surprised you most? Drop a comment below. Number 4, 2024-2025 Honda CR-V. The CR-V has dominated Consumer Reports recommendations for decades, and the latest generation continues that tradition with an overall score of 84 and predicted reliability of 4 out of 5. The 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder produces 190 horsepower and 179 fuel economy for the gas engine manages 28 city, 34 highway with front-wheel drive, or 2732 with all-wheel drive. The hybrid delivers 43,640 combined, genuinely impressive for a vehicle this size. Consumer Reports specifically highlights the CR-V's practicality and versatility. The interior is brilliantly designed with massive storage cubbies, thoughtful details like a shelf above the glove box, and seating configurations that maximize space efficiency. Cargo capacity is class-leading 39.3 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 76.5 cubic feet total. The ride quality is excellent, isolating passengers from road imperfections while maintaining composed handling. It's not sporty like the Mazda, but it's comfortable and confidence-inspiring in all conditions. Safety ratings are top tier. IHS Top Safety Pick. The systems work seamlessly without feeling intrusive. The interior quality improves significantly in the current generation. Softer materials, better build quality, and reduced road noise create a premium feel. The infotainment system is intuitive with physical volume and tuning knobs, a rarity in modern vehicles. Rear seat space is exceptional with genuinely comfortable seating for 3 adults. The seats recline and slide, adjusting for passenger comfort or cargo space priority. Known issues according to Consumer Reports, the 1.5-liter turbo engine in some earlier Honda products experienced oil dilution problems in cold climates, though this appears resolved in current CR-Vs. Some owners report the CVT transmission feels less responsive than traditional automatics. Wind noise at highway speeds is slightly elevated. Predicted reliability is excellent based on Honda's track record. The hybrid system uses proven Toyota licensed technology with Honda refinements. The CVT transmission in the CR-V has strong reliability data. Resale value is legendary. 3-year-old CR-Vs retain 68 to 72% of original value, among the highest in the segment. 5-year-old examples still command premium prices because buyers know they'll run another 100,000 miles without drama. Ownership costs are competitive despite higher purchase prices than some competitors. Insurance costs are average, maintenance follows Honda's straightforward schedule, and major repairs are rare. 5-year ownership costs estimated at $49,000 for a base AWD model. The CR-V is perfect for families prioritizing space, reliability, and resale value. It's not the most exciting choice, but it delivers exceptional value through proven execution. Number 3, 2024-2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The RAV4 Hybrid receives Consumer Reports' highest praise with an overall score of 85 and predicted reliability of 5 out of 5 perfect marks. The hybrid system combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with electric motors for total output of 219 horsepower. Performance is brisk with 0-60 mil-power around 7.5 seconds. The electronic continuously variable transmission is smooth and responsive. Fuel economy is the RAV4 Hybrid's killer feature: 41 city, 38 highway, 40 combined. This beats most compact sedans while offering SUV space and capability. Calculate the savings. 15,000 annual miles in the RAV4 Hybrid uses approximately 375 gallons versus 535 gallons in a comparable gas-only SUV. That's $480-$64 annual fuel savings. The all-wheel drive system in hybrids is electronic, using a rear electric motor rather than mechanical connection. This provides instant torque distribution and works exceptionally well in snow and rain. Ground clearance reaches 8.6 inches. Consumer Reports specifically praises the RAV4 Hybrid's reliability. This powertrain has proven bulletproof across hundreds of thousands of vehicles. Battery longevity exceeds expectations with minimal degradation even after 150,000 plus miles. The hybrid system requires no special maintenance beyond normal service. Safety ratings are exceptional. IHS Top Safety Pick, Standard Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, including pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, and lane departure alert. The systems are refined and effective. Interior space is generous with comfortable seating for 5 adults. Cargo capacity measures 37.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 69.8 cubic feet total. The ride quality is comfortable but not sporty. The RAV4 prioritizes isolation and comfort over handling precision. It's confidence-inspiring in daily driving, but won't excite driving enthusiasts. Interior quality is functional rather than luxurious. Hard plastics are common, but build quality is excellent. The infotainment system in 2024 Plus models is significantly improved with faster response and wireless connectivity. Known issues are minimal. Some owners report the CVT creates a droning noise under hard acceleration, wind noise at highway speeds is noticeable, and the base fabric seats aren't particularly comfortable on long trips. Predicted reliability is exceptional. Toyota's hybrid technology is the most proven in the industry with over 20 years of refinement. The 2.5-liter engine is bulletproof. The hybrid battery carries an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty, but routinely lasts 200,000 plus miles. Resale value is legendary. 3-year-old RAV4 hybrids retain 72 to 77% of original value, the highest in the compact SUV segment. Used examples sell quickly because buyers know they're buying proven reliability. Ownership costs are remarkably low despite higher purchase prices. The fuel savings alone offset the hybrid premium within 3 years. Insurance costs are competitive. Maintenance is standard Toyota simplicity. 5-year ownership costs estimated at $48,500 for a base model. The RAV4 Hybrid is perfect for buyers prioritizing fuel economy and reliability above all else. It's not exciting or luxurious, but it delivers exceptional value through proven engineering. Number 2, 2024-2025 Lexus NX Hybrid. The Lexus NX Hybrid takes the RAV4 Hybrid's proven formula and wraps it in genuine luxury. Consumer Reports gives it an overall score of 86 with predicted reliability of 5 out of 5. The NX 350h uses the same hybrid powertrain as the RAV4, 2.5-liter four-cylinder plus electric motors for 239 total horsepower. Performance is quicker than the RAV4 with refined tuning and additional power. Fuel economy manages 41 city, 37 highway, 39 combined, nearly identical to the RAV4, while offering significantly more luxury and refinement. Consumer Reports highlights the NX's exceptional build quality and refinement. The interior features genuine leather, real wood or aluminum trim, and attention to detail that justifies the luxury badge. Road noise is minimal. The ride quality is supremely comfortable without feeling disconnected. The infotainment system improved dramatically in 2022 plus models. The previous trackpad interface was terrible. The current touchscreen with physical controls is intuitive and responsive. Wireless CarPlay Android Auto is standard. Safety ratings are exceptional with standard Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 including pre-collision warning, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert, and road sign assist. The systems are refined and non-intrusive. The driving dynamics are more refined than the RAV4 with better sound insulation, improved suspension tuning, and quicker steering. It's not sporty, but it's polished and confidence-inspiring. Predicted reliability is exceptional, inheriting Toyota's proven hybrid technology with Lexus build quality. The hybrid system is identical to the RAV4 with thousands of examples exceeding 200,000 miles. The luxury components are durable and long-lasting. Resale value is exceptional. 3-year-old NX hybrids retain 68 to 72% of value, extraordinary for luxury vehicles where 50 to 55% is typical. The combination of Lexus reliability and hybrid efficiency creates strong used demand. Ownership costs are higher than mainstream competitors, but lower than German luxury rivals. The fuel economy reduces operating costs significantly. Lexus dealership service is expensive but comprehensive. 5-year ownership costs estimated at $58,000 for a base model. The NX Hybrid is perfect for buyers wanting luxury and reliability without the catastrophic ownership costs of German competitors. It's the smart buyer's luxury SUV. Number 1, 2024-2025 Mazda CX-90 PHEV. Consumer Reports' highest-rated SUV is the Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid with an overall score of 87 and predicted reliability of 4 out of 5. Despite being relatively new, the plug-in hybrid system combines a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with electric motors and a 17.8 kWh battery for total output of 323 horsepower and 369 Lb the torque. This delivers genuinely quick acceleration with 0-60 mph around 5.8 seconds. The electric range reaches 26 miles on battery alone, enough for most daily commuting without using gasoline. Total range exceeds 450 miles with a full tank and charged battery. Fuel economy when running on gasoline manages 28 mph combined. When charged regularly for daily driving, owners report overall efficiency exceeding 70 mph kbg. This creates massive fuel savings for buyers who can charge regularly. Consumer Reports praises the CX-90's exceptional interior quality. This is genuinely luxury-grade execution at near-mainstream prices. The materials, build quality, and attention to detail rival BMW and Mercedes. Maplewood trim, Napa leather, and 3-row seating for 7 create exceptional value. Consumer Reports backs these recommendations with data from hundreds of thousands of owners and rigorous testing. The pattern is clear. Smart buyers prioritize reliability, total ownership costs, and real-world practicality over flashy features and badge prestige. These SUVs deliver exactly what they promise without drama or expensive surprises. If you're shopping for an SUV in 2026, these 6 represent the safest financial decisions backed by actual data rather than marketing hype. Which SUV would you choose? Are we missing any that deserve this list? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped you make a smarter purchasing decision, smash that like button and subscribe for automotive advice based on evidence rather than opinions. Hit the notification bell for our next video revealing which luxury SUVs to avoid based on Consumer Reports reliability data. We'll see you on the road making intelligent decisions.